Anyone got none on that? What's up guys, so today we're doing an exhaust install on my car. So I was actually editing the video and I forgot that I didn't film an intro for it, so here's your intro. So if you like the video, make sure this isn't an outro, so I'm going to stop right there, so just keep watching. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have our new exhaust for the Camaro in here. It has these mufflers here, but I'm probably going to see if I can keep using the muffler delete that I have on the car right now, but we have everything right here. Alright guys, so I have everything unboxed here. You can see it's all spread out neatly. So it came with a bunch of these clamps here. So we got 6 clamps and there are 6 connections, but the kit came with this weird clamp here. This thing here. I don't know what this is for. It looks like it would be like right after the down pipe to connect the mid pipe, but it's too small. The exhaust is 3 inches. This looks like it's for like 2.5 or slightly bigger. So everything's all spread out neatly. Another thing that this exhaust had, or has, it has a muffler like what I'm not running now, but I actually found out that the hole is plugged. This one actually took the plug out. It has these little silencer tips in it, which I'm going to see how it's going to sound with and without that, so just bear with me. We're going to install this exhaust and get everything rolling. But alright guys, so I just got the bottom bolts off for the actual flange that holds the X pipe or H pipe onto the car. So I got both these bolts off on both sides. So what we're gonna do now is we're probably gonna try to go after this cross member. Hey guys, so I got the mid pipe, the X pipe, and everything in between, the down pipe with the cats, and I got dirty knives. Alright guys, so it is currently Sunday. I started putting this exhaust on Saturday, and this exhaust I got it from eBay. It's made by DNA Motoring, and what they did not say in the description was the exhaust is made for long tube headers. I have most of the back parts on the X pipe and the mufflers, and so I bought these adapters here. They will adapt from the stock 2.5 inch to the 3 inch, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut off this part here so I can get this to slide onto the stock cap pipe, and we're gonna do it that way. Alright guys, you can see I have the whole exhaust done except for this section here where it mounts up to this part here. So this section here is supposed to mount up to this. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been recording much. It's pretty close to 90 degrees outside and I'm trying to get this done as quick as possible. So let's get one of the things. You're gonna get a little sun glare here. So we're using these to adapt to from the stock 2.5 inch to a 3 inch pipe, and let me show you what I've done. So you can see here, this is what I've done. So you can see I have I bought a connection joint there. That's the adapter there, and this is a piece of the pipe that I cut that's supposed to mount to the long tube. So you can see that this mounts nicely to the X pipe there, and now we just got to do the other side. Alright guys, so this is how I've been doing the measurement. So I'll go under the car, slide this part in, and I'll measure up to where I need to cut it at against that adapter that I showed you guys earlier, or just now. And I'll just mark it with this marker, and that's where I have to cut at. And you can see I've been going like, I don't want to buy another pipe or get it bent like this, so I've been taking all small bits at a time. So you can see, cut this one short, came back and I cut this part off on the other side. And you can see my cuts aren't that smooth. I'm using an angle grinder. Alright guys, so I'm in the car now. I finished the exhaust and I don't like it. I mean, the struggle I went through to put this exhaust on, and for how the sound came out, I don't like it. It sounds like a stock exhaust with just bigger pipes. Like, I'm sitting at 2,000 RPM in 4th gear going 50 miles an hour and I don't like it. So there it is again. As soon as I hit 3, it disappears. Flooring it in 2nd gear. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, tell me what you think of the exhaust sound.